Good morning, brothers and sisters. It's Pastor Tim Henderson. I wanted to bring you this breaking news. I will bring a news update later today following our worship services. We are definitely praying. I haven't heard details of like those of the islands where this hurricane has been passing by and heading for who knows where. It looks like up to the Carolinas maybe. We're praying. However, this is significant. Israel is moving heavy artillery equipment and troops to the border of Lebanon. Brothers and sisters, when I tell you the tensions are mounting, this is heating up with everything, the news that I brought last night. Significant things are shifting and speeding rapidly. Look up, for our redemption draws nigh. Well, my message will be live around 10:30. I'd start looking for that from our worship services at Jonathan Creek Christian Church. I want to say a blessing over you before I let you go. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May his countenance be lifted on you, and his shalom, his peace, perfect, whole, complete, nothing lacking, nothing missing, be yours in the name of Yeshua HaMashiach, in the name of Jesus Messiah. I pray and I bless you. God bless you and have an awesome rest of your day.